Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jade and thank you so much for joining me today. We need to talk. The beginning of my third week doing the 75 soft challenge, and I've sort of gotten used to having movement in my body again after having such a big break and things like that. And basically what I have realized, so my eyebrows, what I have realized is that I want to gain some muscle again because I feel like the muscle I did have, even though some of it has stayed, I want to build more. And I'm going to be going to classes and doing all of that stuff as well. But otherwise, I've really been enjoying the 75 soft challenge and I really want to complete it and things like that. So I'm on my way. So yes, I am getting ready. I'm going to be going to the gym. Dylan is going to be joining me. So we're going to do a little bit more of a walk when we get there. There isn't really any classes on at the moment and my body is still sore from my hot Pilates sculpt class, so I'm not too sure I'm going to do weights or anything today, but who knows, I might change my mind when I get there. The main reason that I want to go to the gym is I really want to use the sauna. So yeah, I really want to use the sauna. I want to sweat it all out. One thing that I've really learned since doing the hot sculpt Pilates classes is that I really enjoy the heat again. There was a period of time, like maybe around about 4 or 5 months ago, I did not want to do any heated workouts or anything like that. But now I kind of want to do the sauna again. So that's the main reason why I'm going today. But I thought I would try and squeeze other things in as well. So if I do get up to anything else, I will totally film it and pop it on here for you guys. The reason, as well as wanting to do some more resistance training and build up my muscles and things like that, is that when you are building muscle, it actually helps burn a little bit of fat as well. But if you haven't looked into this, it's actually extremely interesting the way that your body burns fat and the main causes. And I want to start feeling strong again. I feel like I'm getting active and I feel like I'm getting back into it, but I want to feel strong, you know what I mean? So we're going to start working on that. And that is my main goal this week and moving forward. So yeah, really excited, really pumped. I want to absolutely smash this week. I feel so motivated since doing this challenge. Let's start getting ready. So first things first, got to do the hair, make sure it's slicked back. So I just grab some pomade, shove it on my hand, smush it into my hair and brush it all back into like a little slick bun, I guess you would say. This week is probably going to be my toughest week when it comes to the 75 soft challenge. I have a very busy week ahead of me, but also I'm traveling interstate for work. Navigating a health and fitness challenge amidst a jam-packed schedule and interstate travel can feel like such a daunting task. I know it was for me. But with this in mind, I've thought of some strategies to help. These helped me stay on track and maybe they might help you stay on track too. And we're going to go through those in a little while. But as you can see, Dylan and I started our day. We went for a walk along the water and then we also went to the gym, did some walking and also got to go into the sauna. You can see here I'm absolutely pouring sweat. But of course, you need to hydrate as soon as you're out of the sauna because you are just sweating so much. Maybe I'll do a video on the benefits of saunaing coming up. Oh, also, I am going to show you guys how I make my little rainbow salad that I always include. So I always use a capsicum, tomatoes, red onion, and cucumber as well. And of course, you cannot forget the feta cheese. This mix right here, guys, I use this for everything. I absolutely love the combination of flavors and it's always crunchy, fresh, healthy. So honestly, I love it. I could eat it with anything. And there you have it. There's the mix, guys. So if you give it a go, let me know. I'd love to hear what your take is on it. And by the way, this lasted around about 2 minutes and I gobbled it straight down. I am packing. I'm ready to go on a work trip as of tomorrow. So I will be gone for 2 nights, 3 days. I'm really excited. I'm really glad to be going. I feel really privileged to be going. But when I'm there, I know I'm not going to be eating the same, working out the same, things like that. So I am working, but I'm also going to be in a training course for a couple of days. So I guess I'm kind of at the mercy of what they're going to serve me at the training course and things like that. So I'll try and pick the healthier option if I can. Otherwise, working out, I was thinking, because there are going to be some really busy, really full days, I was thinking of possibly doing, I guess, walking workouts from my hotel room or, you know, if I feel up to it, more intense workouts. So I am going to be bringing some exercise clothes. So we'll see how it goes. But yes, I'm still hoping to go at least for a walk or a walking workout, something along those lines. All right, guys, so let's get into my tips and tricks. So now that I have reflection and I have been on the trip, my number one tip would be clear time management. I needed to start by being crystal clear about my available time. I needed to assess my schedule and identify the pockets of times where I could squeeze in a workout. As I was in a new place, I wanted to go for walks instead of just staying in the hotel room, so that's what I did. Each afternoon, I went for a minimum of 1 hour walk. It's always good to be out and about and check out your new area. All right, so I have got into my hotel room. I've put my stuff down and unpacked my stuff, kind of. We still have some sunlight, so I'm gonna go outside and go for a pretty big walk, just have a walk around the area and things like that. And yeah, get some good steps in for my afternoon, and then I'll also go to the shops so I can get, you know, provisions and snacks and all of that sort of jazz. I was going to do a walking workout in my hotel room because I thought that I was gonna get back a little bit later than what I have, but still seeing there's sunlight and all of that, I am going to go outside for a stroll. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me. This leads perfectly into my next tip, and that is flexibility in workouts. So understand that your workout routine, it may need to adapt during these busy periods and of course when you're traveling. And I think it's important to point out that it's okay if your workouts change, and just remember that any movement is good movement. Tip number 3 comes in the form of food. So try and eat as normal as possible. Try and think of what you eat every single day and try and keep that consistency going. Noting that there will also be key variables such as if you have access to a kitchen, shop, catering, etc. All you can do is try your best. It's the end of day 2 whilst I'm here in Canberra, so I was going to do a walking workout at my hotel room, but similar to yesterday, I'm actually feeling a little bit stuffy, I think from the travel, I'm not too sure. So I'm actually going to go outside for a walk again, have a little explore around, and yeah, I'm just going to go for a walk and actually get some fresh air. But yeah, I thought I would give you guys an update. Otherwise, everything's going really well. I'm still drinking well, eating well. The reading has been definitely a challenge while I have been here in Canberra, but I'm still trying to get that done. I need to do my reading for tonight, but otherwise everything else is going really, really well. I'm probably going to go for a walk and give Dylan a call or something like that, give my mom a call. So let's get on to tip number 4, and that is self-compassion and patience. So it's essential to be patient and kind to yourself during these times of busyness or transition or the ups and downs of life. Understand that you may not be able to stick to your usual routine, and that's okay. Practice self-compassion and acknowledge that progress. No matter how small, just remember it is still progress that you're making. My very last tip would be realistic expectations. So you need to be realistic about what you can achieve within your given schedule, and you could track this on a daily basis if you need to. Having realistic expectations goes hand in hand with your clear time management. Just remember, consistency is not about perfection, but rather about making those small, sustainable changes over time. I hope you guys have found today's video to be helpful. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and I can't wait to catch you guys on the next one. And remember, I believe in you. Take care. Bye!